Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I was going to do a video on showing you how I detail my 1995 Dodge Dakota Sport. It's really not that dirty. I just like to go over it with a just vinyl floorboard with a simple auto protectant. I picked this up at Family Dollar before they shut down here in my town. I really like this stuff because it adds a nice shine to the detail. The interior, I'm trying to keep this truck as nice as I can for 1995. It's 25 years old. Someone's got his hair all over my beard. This truck right now has got 265,000 miles. Right now we used it for a work truck. I've really not entered it into any car show. We got a car show here in my town. It's just a small get together, cruising. It's really nothing that big and fancy. But I'd like to get this truck fixed up enough where it can catch some eyes for its age and for the model of the truck. What needs to be done, excuse me, what needs to be done is I need to, on the hood, I'll turn the camera around so you can see it. There where you can see the paint clear coat is chipped off. The on the back bed of the wheel wells, on the left and right rear wheel wells, is rusted out. Adjust the camera there. The oil needs to be changed. My wiper blades have stopped working. I got to figure out what's going on with those, because I got to take a trip in this truck to Calhoun, Kentucky, and it's supposed to be raining. So hopefully the Lord will hold off on the rain until I get there and back, God willing. But we accept whatever He sends because it's His control. So far, I'll tell you what I've done on the truck. I've redone the taillights. I had to get new taillights. The previous owner probably backed into something and hit and cracked one of the taillights. The right rear taillight was cracked and it had water in it, and I had to get the water out, clean all that up. The radio in this truck is not working. I'm gonna get another radio, maybe an aftermarket radio. We'll see. The headlights are oxidized and yellowed out. Some people may call this ricer, but I went to Dollar Tree and got just a simple steering wheel cover here, nothing extravagant. It's just slip on. It's one of the rubberized ones. It's got neoprene rubber in it. It's the checkered flag pattern. Probably looks silly for a Dodge, huh? I just hear some of the people go, "Oh, that's so ricer, that's so ricer." Oh well, they're entitled to their opinions. I want to get maybe an aftermarket headlight for this truck, Prospect LED. I don't know how it'll work. Like I said, the headlights on here are oxidized, yellowed out, things like that. But anyway, let me get back to doing this. And the truck was, on the driver's side seat here, was a little bit dirty. What I do is you can do this two ways. You can spray it on and wipe it off. That's what I usually do. But it recommends spraying it on and leave it in on there and let it dry. But crapola. Just turn the camera over. I'll just spray it on the cloth, on my microfiber cloth, wipe it on, and it'll give it a good shine on the steering wheel there, but not actually on the part where you grip. I put it on the door. Excuse the mess in the back. But this is the interior of my 1995 Dodge Dakota Sport. a bad truck for a 95. Need to clean out the floorboards because they're dirty. There's a back view of the window, inside the window. Excuse the mess. And I'll show you how I clean the door trim. I'll get a cheap bathroom cleaner, foaming bathroom cleaner, and I'll spray the door trim down. Let that sit for a few minutes and I'll do the passenger side. I really want to thank the people that have helped me on my videos, that have subscribed. One thing I forgot to mention is I gotta get a new set of tires to this truck, because the tires on here, this man was disabled that I bought it from. He let it sit for about 3 months and the tires have got flat spots in them, so I'm gonna have to get new tires. But I know the man, I go to church with him, he's a really great guy. I really appreciate him. And let's go ahead and wipe this off. See what we get. A lot of people don't know at a car show, sometimes the viewers will ask you to open up the doors and let them see the interior. And that's what the bathroom cleaner does. It really gives it a nice clean shine. Alright, that's it for the driver's side. Also, you can probably see there my mask hanging down there because we still got the coronavirus floating around here. I've done a video how I clean my rims. Talked about these taillights I've redone. And I'll let the bathroom cleaner over there. Well, and the mask fill. How you like that? Well, we'll do it the other way. We'll do it this way. Spray that on there. Let's go ahead and wipe this off because it's on the paint. Get some more protecting on my cloth here. These microfiber towels, I get them from Family Dollar. Excuse me, correction, I get them from Dollar Tree. You can get them for $1 at Dollar Tree. And I've used them on all my vehicles, and I really love them. Alright, let's go ahead and wipe this off. I love the stamps they got on this truck. My 93 Dodge Dakota also had the same thing. Quality Engineered Chrysler Corporation. And I have a bunch of these. Like I said, I get them from Dollar Tree. They're just cheap. They're nothing really expensive. What are we sitting on here? Yes, auto exposure on. 9 minutes, 45 seconds. I want to at least try to make a 10-15 minute video for you guys. One thing I'm planning on doing, and I'm saving up some money to do it, is get all these places where the paint's chipped. I want to get the paint corrected, things like that. There's a view of the door I just cleaned. And I'll probably give you another walk around to the truck here. Whew, it's humid. I checked the weather. Another thing is, the on my driver's side, the window switch and the lock switch has gone out. And you can see, I gotta get that fixed. Before I lock the truck up here, let me get my rag. Because underneath the hood, the trim is messed up. Yeah, I'll pop through it. Give me another walk around the truck here. It needs another bath. I call the man I bought this truck off of. His wife said that we need to give it a name. So I got to thinking, we named it the Green Goblin. A lot of people in the Dakota groups, so, oh, what do you want to name it? What do you want to name it? It's already got a name. But some people that do that. I'm gonna set the camera down here. See if I can find a good camera angle. That way I can open up the hood for a minute. I'll be right back. Pardon the hand. I'll show you how I clean underneath the hood. I have the bathroom cleaner again. I'll spray it on. But that's it. The engine needs to be cleaned. And you can see the master cylinder there, it's rusting out. Like I said, it's a project truck. Looks like he put in a new air conditioner system. I've already done a little bit of cleaning on the hood here on this plastic trim. Ooh, it's hot. I'll just sit on there a few minutes more and we'll start wiping off. Go ahead now, because I'm afraid it's going to start raining here in a little bit, because I checked the weather and it didn't say anything about thunderstorms, but it's thundering and it's starting to really want to sprinkle. These places where the ground is, you might have to get a toothbrush in there and take the toothbrush and just kind of scrub it. I do that, but I'm not sure about the weather. And I'll probably come back over this with a polish. A lot of people, me personally, I don't want to do it, but I've seen a lot of people actually take a pressure washer and pressure wash their engine, and I don't want to do that because I have a cat around here, and if this vehicle is leaking any type of fluid, I don't want to get that on the ground and him come along and lap it up. Alright, that's bad English there. Lick it up and poison himself, because I had a cat that poisoned himself because he was chewing on the we had imitation plants in my house one time. A lady remodeled our house and she bought these fake plants, and he got a hold of it and it gave him liver cancer. And after that, That was a no-no for me. I'm not going to have that done again. And again, probably bad camera angles. I'm trying to save up, I'm trying to save up enough money to get another GoPro camera. Let me do it this way. What I'm doing, I'm just taking that wet microfiber towel and running it over inside the hood here. And that's all messed up. But anyway, guys, there's the one side, the right passenger side, and here's the driver's side. Front of the truck here still needs some work. Headlights, I'm already got done. Probably get a whole see if I can get the whole assembly, but we'll see. We shall see. But anyway, guys, please like, share, and subscribe on this video. It really helps me out. I've got 63 subscribers. By the end of the year, I would like to have up to 100 subscribers, God willing. But we'll see. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.